Christopher Columbus showed up with the Jakes at Cleopatra's World Love Jam with a warrant wrapped inside the Constitution and closed down the party. Crowded everyone in those Nina and Peter paddy wagons and hauled them off to Cell Block America. But Tony Soprano gets to march in the rapist parade. Welcome to the Terror Dome. But we held down our 400-year bid tight because Mama was so Christ-like. Her beauty was in her hands, picking cotton from our conscience so we can wake the hell up. Mama said to be days like this, our Gothic galloping inscribed by insanity operas, but Martin Luther's thesis, nailed to the church door, is reversed to a 69. That's why Sex in the City is so educational to these young girls. And these grandfather Solomons rode through ancient cities, seeking concubines as young as their daughters, a bad match, like Suburbans with white walls. Mama used to ship us down south every summer. Now, we get shipped further north each winter. So I turn my pen to the east, document testimonies that pay reality salary, a last will and testament for my children. Let my poetry lay down love over Rockefeller laws, Huey Newton anger management, arresting undeveloped development. You can't wash out my mouth with that Pope on the soap ideology. Nice. Mama said if someone hits you, you hit them right back. So I'm popping locks, hopping fences, heading for the beachfront, inciting riots, breaking mandingos out of cages with my poetry, spitting righteous rage with my poetry, a snide sniper, pencil pot piper, black still in the hour of chaos. Mama loves this kind of poetry. They crucified a peace release, setting our eternal entity, the Vida Sassoon, to get a comp. Let Ted Turner tunnel his vision with sky blue context, bleaching our religion. So Tom Hanks can play Jesus in his next movie, looking like Dracula in the tanning salon. Now, overseer the mayor never calls Mama when one of his overseers, Willie Lynch, one of her sons. But he always lays a wreath at the stadium when the Yankees lose the big one. But what's more important to us now? Education or crack? Man or machine? War or peace? Less filling or taste great? A kid when I was late passing the School of Hard Knocks raised his hand and said, verily, verily, I say unto you, flavor of love versus rock of love. Wow. That's what's more important. Wow. Mama wiped back a tear and said, right then and there, I know Malcolm and Martin are both weeping in their graves. Eat your vegetables, son. You're going to need them.